My name's Jules, I'm 65 and I'm a blind veteran. I use Alexa all the time at home. I use it for playing a lot of my favourite music, and I use it for setting numerous different types of alarms, reminders for birthdays of friends that are coming up, other appointments that I have, reminders at home for when a particular TV programme might be starting, and I find I'm using it all the time.
We provide rehabilitation, training and emotional and practical support for our blind veterans. Whilst we're in the centre, there's lots of activities that we put on at the centre for the members, and the Alexa device will tell them what's happening that day. It will tell them how to actually get to the centres, and we've just seen the start of some of our members playing games on the Alexa devices.
When I come to the centre, I feel like I'm coming home now and I'm meeting up with my family.
We're really excited to have Alexa Smart Properties here in the Blind Veterans Centre. We've customised the experience here so that they're able to use Alexa to ask for property information, such as what are the activities that are happening today, to asking for what is for breakfast, lunch or dinner, and what time those events are happening. They can do all of this with Alexa Smart Properties.
Alexa, what room am I in?
You are on the first floor, in room 108. Is there anything I can help you with?
How do I get to the Falklands room?
The Falklands room is on exiting your room. The lift is at 1 o'clock. Enter the lift, press the G button.
The devices also help the centre staff, who can spend more time interacting with the veterans, whilst Alexa answers common questions and requests. Alexa Smart Properties was built with privacy in mind. Veterans don't need an Amazon account to use the device, and voice recordings are not saved. It's still day one for Alexa Smart Properties, and we're really excited about what this technology can bring to more communities in the future.